Cacti and other succulent plants have various adaptations that allow them to survive with limited water, so to make sure they thrive in your home, they'll need a growing medium that simulates their natural environment. This should consist mostly of inorganic matter that minimizes the amount of water retained in the soil. A mix recommended by most cacti lovers is about 25% organic matter like compost, peat, or seed starting soil, and about 75% mineral matter like grit, pumice, or coarse sand. Perlite and pumice serve the same purpose, to aerate the soil and provide better drainage. Pumice doesn't have the same tendency to float to the top like perlite might, but it's heavier and can be more expensive. A mix of both will reduce some of the weight of your soil mix, so it can be easier to transport. Perlite can be quite dusty, so you might want to wear a mask when you open the bag. Wetting it down with some water can reduce the dust particles as well. Using a very well-draining mix will make it easier to give your succulents and cacti proper watering and will prevent issues like root rot and stem rot. Mixing your own succulent soil is easy and allows you to adjust the elements if you have a variety of succulent and semi-succulent plants. Join us over on the Planta app to get customized care for all your plants. Thank you for watching, and as always, from all of us at Planta, happy planting!